Hello! Good morning!
Morning.
Wala kami masyado planned for today. Ano lang. We're just gonna chill around Sapa and then go to just one attraction.
Yeah.
Kaya lang late na kami nagising. So, we have to check out na. We just rented a standard room dito sa hotel para iwanan yung gamit namin. Instead na iwanan sa lobby. Para makaligo pa kami mamaya. When we take the train at 11 p.m.
Bus?
Ay, the bus.
Pero we can nap din, no?
Nap! Doon na siya. Nap na naman, kakagising lang. Ano, sige, nap. Pero ako ligo. Yeah, ligo, wifi, charge. On, para pagpunta namin ng train,
And better pack.
ay ng bus, makapa kami ng mas maayos. Tapos medyo hindi kami mabaho. Yep. So, say goodbye to the view. Boom! Blown out. Walang view. I'm outside and I'm trying to find a bank where pwede magpapalit ng US dollars. Kasi yung bank na malapit sa amin, wala daw kuryente. Tapos, wala na akong mahanap na bank eh. Umabot na ako dito sa may Sapa Lake, which is quite far, mga 3 kilometers from our hotel. Pero kaya ako binuksan yung camera kasi hindi ko pa napapakita to. Ano? Wow. Di pa kami actually nakatambay dito sa Sapa Lake in the morning. So we haven't seen how cool this is. Mamaya dadalhin ko si Zoe dito. Di niya pa nakita doon. Pala ng Sapa Lake. Ngayon lang ako nakapunta ng morning. Si Zoe nagre-ready pa sa kwarto. Dun sa kwarto na ni-rent namin for the day para makapag-intay kami up until 11 p.m. bago dumating yung bus namin. It's so nice. Can you see it? Medyo ano yung architecture. Feeling may alam pero French na may saktong Italian. May money exchange here. So funny kasi nung una pumasok sabi ko I'll exchange money. Which money daw? Sabi ko dollars. And so how many? $100 I said. Tapos inabot ko yung pera ko. Okay. Tapos pagkaabot ko ng pera ko, kinuha ko siya sa parang compartment lang kasi may yung tagaan ng dollars. So sa likod lang siya ng wallet. Tapos parang may isa lang, halata na parang isa lang yung $100 ko. So pagkuha nila, yung tanong nila sa akin, do you have more? Sabi nila, do you have more? Parang ako, no, I'm only exchanging $100. But do you have more? Can I see? Parang ganon. Tapos parang ako, no, I don't have any more. Tapos after yung tatlong teller, chinek nila yung dollars, ginagano nila. So basically hindi sila nagtitiwala na totoo yung dollars ko or ewan ko kung sa akin ba yun or something. Basta on guard sila kasi isa lang yung $100. Hindi naman ako na-offend kasi naiintindihan ko naman na yung pormahan ko parang hindi naman mukhang may dollars. Pero sabi ko na lang I have dollars because I came from Austria and exchanged dollars there. Tapos pinakita ko yung passport ko. Tapos may Schengen nga na visa. Tapos may entry and exit sa Austria. So yun. So nakapagpapalit ako. And maganda. Sobrang ganda ng rates nila. Almost the same as Google. 0.220 difference lang. So yung mga ibang money changer parang 22 to 23k Vietnamese dong per dollar eh. Sa kanila 25. So madami din yung mga 500 pesos. Tama ba computation ko? Pero yan. Gusto ko lang kwento sa inyo na siguro magdala kayo ng extra $100 kung magpapapalit kayo ng dollars para wala lang, may proof na meron ka talagang dollars owned. Hindi yung napulot mo lang or ano naman. Okay. Paano mo ako nahanap? Nagtitry ako mag-connect sa wifi dito para ano. How did you find me? Kaya nga naghahanap ako internet. Wala dito din sa ano eh. Ano ba to? Yung coffee shop. Eh, ganda. Kita mo na. Iba sa morning, no? Ha? Peaceful. It's overlooking pala siya ng mountain. Hindi natin nakikita yun pag gabi. Here we are at the entrance of Pomo Sapa. Sabi mo, let's go! Cool!
Diba, no?
Hindi masyado pinupuntahan to. It's kind of like a farm. Tapos there's the Eiffel Tower, Tower of Pisa. Cool. This is their little restaurant. Tapos may libre na rin coffee and there's free potatoes daw. I think you have to buy that. Ito may libreng ano. There's free potatoes daw for later if we wanna eat after we take pictures. And look at that. You can see it. That's a whole mountain. Yung ano? Yung food. So, nakahanap na naman kami ng place na walang tao. It's beautiful. Mas maganda pag walang tao. Kasi, ayan o, tanya, yung buong place, this is all ours for the day. That means, we can shoot. As ano, this one, bird seeds, to feed the birds daw. So, you shake it, I guess. Sige nga. Dapat mas maaga pa tayo. Lagi na lang. Ganda. Another paradise spot. Dapat all the birds. Lumapit, sinusundan na nila si Zoe. Ah! Oh my God. That's so cool. Okay, so this is Pomo Sapa. Mga ano siya, 100 to 120,000 BNB taxi going here. There's more birds there. This is the Mount Rushmore. Very US ah. The Statue of Liberty. Pero yung hanggang ano lang. And the Eiffel Tower.
Doon, no? Copper. Ano naririnig ko sila?
Feed. Hello, little bird.
Maraming papunta. Well, bago kasi siya sa look. Nung binook ko siya, as in recently added lang siya.
Magkano lang dito?
Parang 250. Basta less than 250. With
250
drink.
pesos ah.
Babe.
Oh no. 250 pesos with a drink pa, tapos free potatoes. So basically, pag kumain ka madaming potatoes, libre lang yung place. Oh my God, he's so nice. May bantay dito, tapos sinetapan niya kami dun. Ayan, nakita niyo ba?
Ang ganda, babe.
There's a seat there. Sinetap niya yung coffee namin dun to overlook the mountains. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Oh. Oh. Alis kayo. Ang sakit. I will name you Birdie. Fly, Birdie. Meron na naman kaming goal ni Zoe na gumanda yung business ulit. Pero I understand bakit di sila pupunta kasi ito lang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 6 lang siya na ano 6 lang na spots for pictures tapos medyo mas mahirap siya puntahan. Pero kung may time ka, sobrang ganda niya. Yung nagpapaganda pa yung birds. Pero ito yung view. Look. Pa-sunset na.
Tahimik, di ba? Walang anything.
Yes, sunset. And they set us up with some coffee and potatoes.
Kasama yan ha, sa 200.
Kasama na sa 200.
5 each. Ganda.
Oh my God! Look at that!
Ang ganda, no? I mean, di ko alam kung may ibang place makakatambay ka ng ganito.
Wala.
Diba?
Mountains yan, baka hindi lang masyado kita sa cam. Pero mountains yan, tapos clouds. Tapos, yung mountain sobrang lapit lang sa inyo.
Diba sa Fancy Pan, hindi mo siya makikita as this close kasi. Kaya
Yeah,
ang
this is
ganda
close.
niya.
Very close.
Sobrang close.
Very good, Louie.
Wow!
Very good, Zoe. Ulit. So for this trip, di na kami nag-fancy pan kasi if you watch what happened
Yes.
yesterday, our fault naman, pero still, di na kami nag-fancy pan since marami naman masyado din tourists doon. Minsan nawawala yung beauty ng place kapag sobrang daming turista. Kasi parang wala, medyo mababaw na lang yung dating kasi, uy, picture dito, picture dyan, uy, picture dito, pila ka, wait for your turn to take a picture, tapos na. There's no space to just watch nature. Mamaya magti-trip out. Pero syempre, mamaya magpipictures din kami.
You know what? Feeling ko, buti na lang na na-move din yung Fairy Valley kahapon.
Bakit?
Kasi
Hindi rush
sakto
na yan.
yung, we can spend time here din eh. Kasi diba, kung nandito ngayon, kung today natin gagawin yung Fairy Valley, mabibitin tayo sa isang
Either
attraction.
Fairy Valley or this one.
Yeah.
Yung Fairy Valley din kahapon, above the standard na ina-expect namin. Happy? Feed tayo. Gusto mo pa ba magpa-photos? Sa Eiffel Tower and Pisa? No na. Diyan gusto mo. Tara. The Eiffel Tower. Liit lang pala nito in person, no? Hey! Sunset by the Eiffel Tower. So nice. See the birds? Oh! Doon sila nakatira lahat. Dito maganda, babe, oh. Sa ano? Look here. Good night to Pomusapa.
Night po, Musa pa.
Good night, everyone. Look at this. Pusin pa namin yung oras namin dito, but if you're not impressed yet, ewan ko na lang. Pero tingnan nyo ito. Oh. Hello. We're here at Viet Trekking Restaurant. There you go. Famous to for its views, pero nung pumunta kami ng isang araw, hindi makalimutan ni Zoe yung kinain niya. Ha?
May akong chili powder, tsaka sriracha.
Wow. So now we're ordering it again before we leave Sapa. Our schedule to leave is at 11:30 p.m. Pero 10:30 daw, sanduin na kami sa hotel.
No, mag-wait daw tayo sa lobby.
Sa lobby, 10:30. Ano ba yan? Aga. Hello, we're done eating. May pera pa ba tayo?
Na.
Ha?
Wala na.
Sabi natin.
Magugas na tayong pinggan. Mag-start ka na maglinis.
Silipit ka.
Ang dumi na pa naman ng kainan mo.
Kami na lang po maghuhugas pinggan for pay.
No, man.
No money, we wash dishes.
No money, flash t-shirt.
So we stopped by something kasi may nakita si Zoe. How are you gonna do it?
Kala niya ata may na-stock na pera. Kukunin niya lang, bibigay niya na lang yung gusto.
Hindi ko alam eh. Ba't tinatry niya gawin? Kala niya nung tinawag namin siya, may nasta kami na pera. Wala naman. Papaturo lang kami paano gamitin. Anong lagay naman? Yan, naklaro na namin. Kasi we're honest people. Sabi namin ayaw lang gumana. Papaturo lang kami paano. Kala niya, muti ka na kami kumita ng pera. Kasi naman nakaikat ng money dyan, sabi na sa akin. King, Sir King, use it. Let's go. Tapat mo.
Walang pindutan naman dito.
Meron. Oh my god, did you just win? Oh no! Another one. Go. Get the wheel. Oh no. More. Last one. 10k, bilis. 10k. Wag na, dyan ka na nagkakalak eh. Do it. Yan na, hugot na. This is where we win our money back. One more try, let's go. What are you trying to get? Oh, it's cheating! They're cheating! Cheating yan na!
Ito mo, open niyo.
Scam! Scammers! You guys are scammers! Okay, let's go! Magkano nagastos natin dun in pesos? In pesos. 100. 100 pesos. Scam! Eto na.
Welcome to Zappa Station.
Antok na kami. Hinihintay namin yung bus going to Hanoi. It's a sleeper bus. Mas sulit yung sleeper bus din pag night time kasi para siyang free hotel, no? Sleep ka na lang. Kasi yung bus namin last time, we took it sa morning eh. So, medyo nawalan kami ng few hours. But, yun na yung best na scenario at that time. Yep. So now we're just waiting for the bus. Here at the same place where they dropped us off sa G8.
Here we are. Let's go. See you in a few, Hanoi.
We're back. That's it. We're back.
This is Zoe trying to check in our hotel. Staying at Nexi Hotel. And it's currently 4:30 a.m. in the morning. They have a chill out place by the second floor. So, kailangan daw, 6 a.m. pa kami mag-check in. Chill muna kami dito. Hello, this is our hotel room. Ang kitchen sink kami, we can cook. There's a ref. They got some shelves. It's a big room. We got the restroom. That's our bed. Cool. We have a little window here. Cool. It's morning na. 6 o'clock. So, tutulog muna kami and wait for our friends to get to Hanoi before we tour.